Hello everyone, it's Darlene from darlenestampinspot.com, and I'm ready to share Club Create for November with you. Each month I choose a bundle or a stamp set and I create 4 unique cards with it. I provide all the supplies needed to create those cards along with envelopes and a set of crafty goodies. This is available as a subscription or as a single class. So let me show you what we're doing for November. This month I'm featuring the Cheers and Sips bundle. You can choose to add this to your card club if you wish. If you do, I offer it to you at a discount, which is basically free shipping for any items you add on. You may already have this bundle or you can use stamps you already own. Let me show you what is included in your kit. Here is an example of a previous kit that is very similar in packaging. Everything comes packaged very nicely for you. So each card has their own envelope. So everything that you need for that card is in the individual envelope. So all the parts and pieces are ready to go for you to stamp and assemble and just have fun. It comes in this plastic poly. It's got the designer paper in there with the label. It's got your embellishment and your ribbon, or whatever happens to be included that month. And then it comes like that. So the subscription is $45 and it's charged to your credit card the same time every month. It's the easy button. You don't have to think about it. I send you an email letting you know what the kit is for that month and the opportunity to add on anything if you wish. If you don't want to subscribe, you can pay just a little bit more and get a single month. That cost is $49 just the one time. However, there are loyalty rewards after 6 consecutive months of Club Create, and that is where you'll get a really nice package valued at $25 with products and goodies and all kinds of fun things. So for the November kit, let me show you the cards. There's the first one. And then card number 2. These images have been fussy cut from the paper. There are no dies for these. Same thing here. There's that pretty gold ribbon. And then your fun fold. I love this one. We haven't done this one before. So there we go. So there's your cards. You're going to make 2 of each of those, of course, with your envelopes. And let me show you the crafty goodies that you're going to use and then use them to keep creating. So this month's kit includes the Celebratory Sips designer paper. And here's a quick look at it. You can cut cups from here with the dies. Make little fun drinks with those little blocks. Here's your fruit page. Here's where you can cut more drinks out, fussy cut them, and then the pretty floral. So this is a 12 by 12 pack of paper. You get half a pack of paper, and you'll have plenty left to play with after you make your cards. You also get a full package of these strawberry slush and pretty in pink gems. They're so sparkly. They've got gold flecks in them. And a spool of this gold striped mesh ribbon. So that's your goodie. So this, along with the 8 card kits, is Club Create for November. I hope you'll consider either joining my Club Create for November or just taking a single month. I've packed a lot of love and a lot of value into this November kit featuring the Cheers and Sips bundle. Thank you so much for your consideration.